Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion for You. In this video I am going to show you how to make Angrakha dress. There are different variations of Angrakha. Some of the Angrakhas are straight, some of the Angrakhas come in Anarkali style or others come in umbrella dress style. There are different variations of Angrakha. In this video I am going to show you Angrakha in umbrella style. Some of the viewers have also requested me straight Angrakha. I will take that request too. But first I thought to take this because this looks more beautiful because this is a flared Angrakha. So this Angrakha would be having a bodice and then it will be a kind of umbrella dress, but we'll cut one more panel that will come on the front panel to make the Angrakha style. So first I'll cut bodice that will also be in Angrakha style. So I'll cut that bodice on the piece of paper, then I will put the piece of paper on the fabric and then I will cut the bodice on the fabric. I've taken this piece of paper, fold it in half. First of all I'll cut bodice for the back panel. Shoulder width is 14.5, so half of this is 7.25 inches. From here also I'll take 7.25 inches. Same measurement as shoulder. From here again 7.25 inches. Take a straight line. 1 inch diagonally I'll take. First I'll take my bust measurement. That is, first measurement is 36. I'll add 2 inches to it and then I will divide it by 4, so 9.5. Now I'll take 14.5 inches from the shoulder. Will come here because half inch I'll leave here for the seam allowance and half inch here I'll leave for the seam allowance, but waist measurement I'll take on 14.5. 30 is my waist. I'll add 2 inches to it and divide by 4, that is 8. Now I'll join this. 0.75 inches for the shoulder drop. 3.25 inches I've taken for the neck. Now I'll cut this. I've cut my back panel. This is the back panel. Now I'll cut. The thing should come till the halfway of this width. This is 11, so I'll take 5.5. This part should match with this point, and now I will transfer. I'll cut this. This will come on the right side, come over this. Now I have to take one more panel which will come under this. I'll cut the neck on this. The half of this white piece of paper is here. So I'll fold this in reference to that point. Most of the Angrakhas have V shape, so I'll cut this in V shape. Now I'll extend this line till this point. Now I have to take this part as a reference because the other part, the neck will be coming like that and it will meet at this point. I'll take this till half the way. Now I'll transfer this. I'm using chart papers because I don't have pattern cutting paper. If you have pattern cutting paper, you can use that. Because I don't believe in patterns, I can directly cut on the fabric. Just to make you people understand, I am cutting it on this chart paper. Now this is another half. I have to transfer this side of the neck on this. Now finally this is ready. This will come like this. Now I'll cut the bodice on the piece of fabric. The concept of angrakha has come from the Mughal emperors. The Mughal kings used to wear a angrakha kind of dress, and that was used to be open. But now we are using the same concept on our dresses, but it is not used to be open. If you are wearing something, you should be comfortable enough, because if I'll open and I'll put buttons over here to tie the dress, then I would be conscious all the time that I'm not exposing something or like that. Nowadays, we are taking the concept of angrakhas, but we are stitching this. This is just a style, but not a proper angrakha. Now the last thing about the pattern is I'll make cutting for the front armhole. Now I'll transfer these patterns on the fabric. This is 3.5 meters of fabric. Double the fabric up to 44 inches so that I'll make a square. I'll double this up to 44 inches. This is 44, and I will not cut the rest of fabric because I have to cut one more panel out of that fabric, so I'll not cut it. And now I'm going to fold it like a triangle. This extra fabric I will take for the panel, extra panel. 1/4 part of my waist is 8 inches. Half an inch I'll take for the seam allowance. So I'll take 8.5. But this time I'll take it this way. You can measure it from here as well. This is 12, so this should be 12 as well. This time I'm not taking it in a circular way. Because I've cut my bodice also straight. From this point, this length is 31.5. So I'll take the same length here. Now I have to cut one more panel like this, which will cover the front panel. This panel will come half the way for the front panel. So I'll trim it from here. And I will also give a circular shape from here. Then this thing will come little up, and that will give a angrakha effect to the whole thing. Now angrakha cutting is done. I'll cut the sleeves now. I'll make short sleeves for this. I'll take 5 inches, 5.5 inches, so that ready length of the sleeves would be 4 inches. I'll take 3 inches from here. 5 inches from here. Here also I'll make a straight line. This side will take 6 inches. The cutting for Angrakha dress is now ready. To watch how I stitch all these pieces together, you can watch my other video, how to stitch Angrakha dress. Now I am going to stitch it together.